Jessica Levinson.
Hi, I am a legal contributor for CBS News and a law professor. And I was hoping you could talk to me about your specific response to what I think will be the Trump administration's argument that once they federalize the National Guard in one state, then that National Guard is essentially under their chain of command and they can decide to send it to another state. Or related to that, essentially, what's the best, if there are any cases to support the idea that if a district court judge says you don't have the factual predicate necessary to invoke 12406 and federalize the National Guard in Oregon, are there cases that then support and therefore you can't use National Guard that's federalized in another state and send that into Oregon?
Mayor Wilson, do you want to answer that one? Just kidding. I was just playing with you. The truth of this, that's actually an absolutely wonderful and astute question. And we do expect them to make that argument tomorrow in front of a judge. The reality is that there is a specific word within the statute that says it has to be necessary, and I believe it is the amounts necessary, effectively proportional. So the fact that if you are moving the National Guard from California to Oregon, they are no longer necessary coming into Oregon. And I think common sense really dictates the outcome under these circumstances. So if there is a set of facts in California that necessitate federalizing the National Guard against the governor's will, you can't pick those National Guard up and ship them overseas to some other event, right? There are limiting factors, and we believe that the word necessary, as you'll see within the statute, is that limiting factor. Again, all kind of comes back to common sense.